my name is Valerie.
Hi, my name is Balman.
Welcome to our home.
I think for our home, after many Pinterest ideas and mood boards, I think we've created what we came up with. It's a mix of a Scandinavian and MUJI kind of theme. So neutral palettes, light colors to make our house looks bigger and something that will be timeless.
So we were actually recommended to by a friend. When we came across Terrace, I think we felt comfortable, and at the same time there was this non-obligatory approach that for some reason we really took to it. To us, the communication was the most important because between the both of us, we know that we would want to enjoy this journey as much as possible. That's why we wanted to find someone that we would enjoy working with, and that was a key factor in helping us decide who to go with for our home. But what I think was really a value add that came from Terrace was actually the practical advice. For both of us, we were just going for the aesthetics and the feels that we wanted to go after. Or he would also share with us like more cost-friendly or affordable options or alternatives that we could take our time to consider. And I think that was really what helped us feel reassured in the journey, that he knows what we're looking for and he's always on the lookout for the best for us. Aesthetics-wise, is definitely the fluted panels. I think this is my favorite part because I think it just adds to the whole mood and atmosphere of the house, which I really love. My favorite functional part of this house is definitely the dining table. I think both of us really enjoy hosting people, but at the same time, we also, due to space constraints, we couldn't have a very big table, which I was initially quite disappointed. But after many rounds of brainstorming and changing of ideas and all that with Terrace, we actually found out this idea with inspirations from what we see in our friends' homes as well and all that, and it turned out very well. And I think it's like I would say it's one of the key features of our home that I'm really pleased with.
For me would be, I think, both that and also two other areas would be our bedroom. It's very small, but it's made in a way that is very functional for us. And secondly will be our bathroom, because nowadays HDB bathrooms, especially the BTO ones, are very small, and we really needed the space because of our child. So what we came up together was a panel that is movable in a way that we transform the bathroom into different needs when we are using it at different times of the day. So in that sense, we're able to kind of expand this very limited amount of space. So that one I really enjoy, and so far so good.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you again.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.